Hi, thanks very much for clicking on the video link. My name is Natalie Armstrong-Motin with Marketing Resolution, and you have joined me for another in the Idle Chat series for the American Bar Association section for dispute resolution. Today, I'm talking to a colleague in Florida. This is Michelle. Michelle, everybody watching.
Hi, nice to meet everyone.
Well, thanks very much for joining me for an Idle Chat. Michelle, as you know, we've got a bunch of questions on the cards. We shuffle the cards dictate what we'll talk about. And it is just that complicated. First question, it's a hard one. Coffee or tea?
Oh, hands down, coffee. It's the inspiration of the muses.
Necessary. It's
Necessary
one of the 4 major food groups right there.
Yes, it is.
All right. Michelle, is there any movie that you quote regularly?
Aaron Brockovich.
What is a quote from Aaron Brockovich?
No, I am not an attorney. I just work with them.
Good quote. All right. When you are doing online meetings like this, inquiring minds want to know, are you fully dressed for business or just, within the screen view?
Miami Vice. I Miami Vice it when I do digital meetings.
It's just the way. It's 2022. That's how we roll.
Especially in South Florida.
Right? I don't blame you one bit. Not one bit. Oh gosh, Michelle, where is the most uncomfortable place you've ever slept?
Outside.
Outside, like camping?
Yes, downrange in boot camp.
Yeah, I'll pass. Were you with the military?
Yes, ma'am, the Army.
Oh, well, thank you for your service, first and foremost. I've got a son-in-law, numerous cousins, lots and lots of uncles, grandparents who served in the military. So I really appreciate the time that you've invested, and that of your family as well, because it's not just the service person. All right, Michelle, if you had to delete all but 3 apps from your phone, what 3 apps would remain?
3 apps would remain. Navigation, a reading app, and Canva.
Love me the Canva. Good choice. All right. Michelle, is there any bit of trivia that you know of? It's totally fascinating, completely interesting, but not really of much consequence in the day-to-day existence?
No, nothing comes to mind that makes me interesting.
You are interesting. We were talking about the trivia. You're fascinating. All right. Michelle, what is the best flavor of ice cream?
Oh, chocolate.
That was decisive. All right. Chocolate it is.
Yes.
We don't argue with Michelle on that one. Michelle, what is the oldest thing that you own?
Oldest thing that I own. Probably a cane that was my grandmother's toy that she played with, that was made in the late 1800s.
How fun is that? Good for you. That's excellent. All right. Oh, here's a good question. What sport could you play longest in a televised game without anyone discovering that you're not actually a professional athlete?
Volleyball.
Volleyball, says Michelle, the tall person on the other side of the camera.
No, I'm short.
Define short, please.
By my standards, I'm short, so I'm 5'6". I guess that's usually average, though.
Yeah. From my 5'1" perspective, that's substantial. Yeah, I'm an excellent setter, but spike, no, not my game. Not my game. Michelle, what is the best sandwich?
Oh, hands down sandwich, I would have to say a cheeseburger. Yes, if my sister and I joke, if we are ever in nursing homes together, we are to have cheeseburgers, chocolate shakes, and French fries all day long.
And coffee,
And coffee, yes, and coffee.
coffee, everything else negotiable, but that gets the basics covered then.
Yes,
All right,
yes,
that's good information to have. So when future generations are curious, what's the feed, watering, and caring of Michelle, we can just refer to this video.
yes, coffee, cheeseburgers, chocolate shakes, and French fries.
Sounds like a healthy way to exist, my friend, healthy way to exist. So Michelle, I will ask you the same question I ask all of my guests on an idle chat, and that is, what do you love most about the work you do in the resolution industry?
The thing that I love most about mediation and mediation advocacy is the ability that it offers me to work in combating against economic inequality and social injustice through programs that help to promote and restore civil and human rights. It's a different approach to conflict, and I love that.
What a fantastic challenge. Good work. Good for you. Michelle, thank you so much for joining me. It was really lovely getting to know you a little bit.
Thank you for having me. This was fun.
My pleasure. All right.